Welcome. This is the Magnum Reloaded Acro box. Obviously you've seen on my channel that I built and made the Magnum Reloaded itself. Love the plane to bits. It's amazing. Really good plane. Love it. Made a little modification to it. Printed up a little old style vent to keep the speed controller cool. I'm running the specified motor and ESC and prop, obviously. Just felt it was losing a bit of power after a bit of flight. Let's get into this box, shall we? I couldn't get the blue and yellow, sadly, so I had to settle for red and blue, or blue and red. Instructions are in German, however they should be quite straightforward. Pictures worth 1,000 words. Let's have a look. Obviously this is showing the full setup. All I need to do is make the wing section with the ailerons on. The rest of the fuselage, rudder, elevator and stabiliser and everything's all good to go. I made a jig for the reloaded portion of this. I think that may be exactly the same for this. I'll check, but hopefully it is. This is the wing. It's going to need marking up with the jig that I've got, or starting fresh. A portion cut out of the aileron to make it to split. These are going to need exercising and maybe blend them. Get rid of that. What else have we got? Got some spars, more control horns, clevises, wingtips. This is the portion that holds the wing and slots into the fuselage. And then we have the landing gear pieces. And these hold the servos. So let's have a look. I've got some Emax 9051s. I've also got some of the same Hextronic or Tower Pro 5 gram servos. So with these on the fuselage, I had to trim these parts out, and they look like they're going to be too large as well. So I think I may use these. These are a lot more suitable size wise, to save cutting up. So yeah, they sit on the inside of the wing. And back to the elevator, aileron, sorry. You can do flaps and snap and so forth. However, the receiver I've got in there at the moment is only a 4-channel, so it will take ailerons on a Y adapter. With a view maybe to upgrade into a 5-channel or 6-channel. I've got plenty. Space is a premium at the moment in it, and I think for the time being could just go 4-channel with ailerons, and learning 3D with it will be a good start. One other little update: if this is a little bit lacking, this is a 2204 motor. I've got some a 2208 motor ready to put in it if need be. I've also got some 8x6 prop instead of the 8x4 to give it a bit more power, and I think I got a 9x4 prop as well, just to see and find the right combination. So with that, I'm going to get on with it. Marked up all the underside of the wing. for the centre line, the cutout here, 20 by 30mm, 20mm back from the leading edge, 30mm wide, that brings it in line with here, and then this recesses in the fuselage to keep the wing in. There's a 45mm to 70mm wide wedge shape here to be cut to allow the ailerons to function, and then this piece will sit in between. The landing gear, struts and servo mounts are marked up. The measurements are exactly the same as the Magnum Reloaded, so if you are building one and plan to upgrade it to an Acro like this, keep the jig you used because it's come in handy. It's quite straightforward to measure it up anyway. So yeah, gonna glue it all together now, I think. Just cut the front notch and rear notch out. I measured this at 50mm instead of 45 at the front, but I corrected that before I started hacking into it. That's a piece, and that's the other piece, and that allows this piece to fit like that. This interlocks with the fuselage, and this enables the whole wing to sit a little bit more forward than the non-acro 3-channel wing. Progress. Got the wing all done for the most part. Fuse, block in, everything. Servos are in, legs are on, scallops, winglets. I haven't routed a wire yet, but that's just a slit and a bit of glue over the top. I think what I'm going to do is bring them up at the front of the leading edge here, where it's recessed into the fuselage, and then just put a little channel here for the Y lead, and then obviously I can either disconnect the Y lead and run it up into the fuselage to fly it as a 3-channel, or then just pull these two out and connect the Y lead back for the Aileron 4-channel version. The thin carbon spar, I've worked out that it goes here to stop the flex on acro manoeuvres. So let's see if I can demonstrate it. See if I can hold it still. That's just flexing the fuselage left to right, and it's bringing in elevation changes. So with this, it's laid in widthways across the fuselage to give it a lot more rigidity. That's with the original 3-channel wing on, and now that's converted to 4-channel. So yeah, happy. Typical British Sunday evening, peeing down with rain. All good though. Built, ready for the proverbial great heat wave we're going to receive tomorrow, even though it's still raining. Already set the model up on here. It was already set anyway, I just needed to swap rudder and elevator, or aileron, 3-channel. Obviously you have your rudder on the aileron for 3-channel, usually, that's how my brain works anyway. Ready to go. So, all good. Had to carve out a bit more in here and thought I'd tidy this up while I was in there. Yeah. let's see how the Maiden goes. Welcome back to what seems like Groundhog Day up here. Once again, bad weather for a Maiden. So I hope you enjoy this little journey, joining me on my ventures into 3D flying, or maybe just 4-channel. Let's see how it goes. So, I don't know how this is going to go. I don't know if it's going to be underpowered or not, but one way to try it, isn't there?
One minute. Minutes. Minutes.
First crash. See how it fared. Wonky prop. Even a wonky prop.
4 minutes. 5 minutes.
I'm not very good at flying inverted, am I? Well, consider that's the first time. Minutes. There we go again.
Minute. Minutes. minutes. 5 minutes. 6 minutes. 1 minute. 2 minutes. 1 3 minutes. 4 minutes. 4 minutes and 53 seconds. 5 minutes. 6 minutes.
3 batteries later on my Maiden. What can I say? I love this plane in its 3 channel and 4 channel, guys. This makes it a lot more fun with the Acro wing on here. What can I say? I love it. It's a great plane. Yeah, you can customise it and do certain things with it. It's lacking power for serious 3D from what I can tell, because it won't prop hang or well, getting 7-minute flights out of a battery and we're just near storage charge on a 550 milliamp hour 2 cell. What can you say? Makes me want to purchase more of MiniProp's EPP models, maybe the S-Back or maybe the Yodel, something with flaps, or maybe a Piper Cub or something. Wrapping this up, love the plane. So durable, it flies itself. Just aileron input. Look at the incidence on that rear elevator compared to the front wing. What other planes would fly true without any trimming with that dialed in, or by accident? don't know if it's a wing block. I'll have to get the measurement tools out on it and find out. But yeah, amazing plane. If you're in two minds about getting one, do. Tons of fun, easy to build, relatively easy. Just takes some commitment. Yeah, stunning plane. So, thanks very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this little series. I'm sure there'll be many more episodes to come. Maybe not videoed, but I can't put this plane down, I don't think. It's addictive. Take care. Good evening.
You didn't think it would end there, did you? We just can't help ourselves, can we? (2208) 1400 kV to replace the 2204 1400, and 8x6 and 9x6 props for some serious thrust.